Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a magic ring and how to do the chain 2 method as well. So you can use either of these in any of my videos. I usually do the chain 2 method. Okay, first you want to pull out some yarn from the center. And I'll show you the chain 2 method first. I find this the easiest way to do it. So you take your yarn. You've got your tail here and your working yarn over here. Make a slip knot. So put the tail on top of the working yarn. Go into the loop. Pinch the tail. Hold the two ends and pull it through. Okay, then you want to insert your hook. And chain 2. Okay, so this second chain that you made is your turning chain, and the first chain that you made becomes your magic ring. So put your hook through the first chain that you made, and then you just single crochet however many you need. Okay, once you've done that, you just pull the tail tight to close it up. Okay, so I'll show you again. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook. Chain 2. And then go back into the first chain that you made and make your single crochets. Okay, and once you're finished, just pull the tail tight. To make the magic ring, you want to put your tail underneath these two fingers, and then you want to take your working yarn and wrap it around twice so it makes a cross. Okay, take your hook, go underneath the first one and pull through the second one and twist, and then chain 1 with your working yarn. Okay, now you have a ring. You just want to work into this ring. So you go in and single crochet. And I'm working over the ring and the tail. Just make as many as you need. And then once you're finished, just like the chain 2, pull the tail tight. Okay, so I'll show you that again. Okay, take these two fingers have your tail underneath. Wrap it around your fingers twice so it makes a cross. Put your hook underneath the first one, pull through the second one and twist, and then chain one with your working yarn. Okay, and then you just work your single crochets in the loop, as many as you need. Once you're finished, just pull the tail tight. Okay, so I hope that helped. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.